This video tutorial explains the image overlay function of the CINENORM series monitors. It applies to the BM5IV WR, BM5IV, and BM7II DS models. This function requires a USB drive to be connected to the monitor. The USB drive must be USB 2.0, under 64 GB, and formatted with FAT32 or FAT file system. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, then click Add, select Monitoring, and click Image Overlay to enable and add this feature. Click on Image Overlay to enter the image gallery. Select the image you want to overlay, and it will be semi-transparently overlaid on the live feed. You can click on the value to adjust the transparency of the overlaid image. Note that images imported via the USB drive should be no larger than 1 MB, with a resolution of 1920*1080 and in JPG format. Otherwise, issues such as incomplete screen display, overflow, or no display may occur. You can also use images obtained via the image capture function, and these images will be automatically transcoded to meet the requirements. That's the full introduction to the image overlay function on CINENORM series monitors.